Today, I'll be reviewing this microphone. I'll show you what's inside the box. We'll set it up together. We'll test it both indoor and outdoors. And finally, I'll tell you whether it's worth spending your money on. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Blessing. Let's see what we've got inside the box. Okay, so first we have a pouch or a case for putting your mic in. Next, we've got a charging cable for charging the mic. So that's my user manual. I think I should read from the user manual. First, take the microphone transmitter out of the charging case. So this is the charging case it came in. Okay, this is the charging case. So I've taken it out of the charging case. Insert the receiver in your phone. So this is the receiver and this is my phone. This wouldn't fit my iPhone, but it came with something for iPhones. This came an adapter for iPhones. So let's put it like that. So we'll put that in the iPhone. And next it says they will pair automatically. A green light signals success. So I have a green light, so that is success. Attach the TX to your clothing using the magnetic clip. To attach this to my clothing using this magnetic clip. So that's the magnetic clip that came with it. We're going to do the magnetic side in front and that. So the blue light is on. That means it's working. Let's test the microphone and see if it's working. I'm going to try to film on this phone to see what happens. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we shall be testing out my Lavalier microphone. Is it Lavalier or Lavalier? Anyways, whatever. Right now, this is a mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. So, moment of truth. Let's play and see what happens. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we shall be testing out my Lavalier microphone. Is it Lavalier or Lavalier? Anyways, whatever it's pronounced as, let's unbox. Let's test this sound both indoor and outdoors. Right now, this is a mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. So, I'm going to test my mic outside. I came to water my potatoes. I planted these potatoes last week. Let's see if it's growing already. Yes, I can see something here. That's some progress. So I'll put some water in my potatoes. Let's see in this bag, is there any sign of growth yet? I can't see anything, but I think something is happening. So also give it some water. I'll be back next week to check on my potatoes. So I'm done testing the mic. Let's go back inside and see, and I'll tell you what it sounds like. I'm going to go in and listen for a few minutes and I'll be able to give you a quick feedback. I have tested my mic both outside and inside, and I'm not sure of the sound I'm getting. My voice seems very clear. I love the output, but I'm not sure about the volume. It doesn't sound loud enough for me. So I'm going to do another test quickly to see what I'm doing wrong. I have another transmitter which I can use. I'll use this transmitter to see if this is the one just giving me issues. So put this transmitter on and do the test again. I have tested my microphone both indoor and outdoors, and I'm back to give you my verdict. Trying to give you my verdict, but I'm not sure of the output. I'm not sure of the volume. I love the quality, but I don't know if that's just my natural quality of voice or if the quality is from the microphone itself. So I'm doing a second test. This video is a second test. Now I'm going to listen to what I just said. I know it's gibberish. I'll listen and I'll let you know. I decided to hold the microphone on my hand, in my hand, to see how good the sound quality would be. So I'm going to listen to this. Here is my verdict. The microphone has amazing output quality, but in terms of volume, I am not completely impressed. I'm a little bit impressed. In terms of design and build quality, this microphone has a compact and lightweight design. It is easy to clip into your shirt. You saw how I clipped it into my shirt earlier. It was quite easy. I love the fact that it has a charging case. So when I'm done, I can just throw them in the charging case and they are charging. It can charge up to 8 hours. So if I'm in the community or I'm out and about shooting my videos, I can charge here for up to 8 hours. Now the build quality feels solid for the price. It's a little bit less than £30. I got this for £29. So I think the charging case is convenient. You can carry it about all day. Now some of the key features. Of course, wireless connection, long battery life, USB charging or USB lightning compatibility. It's a lightweight design. It is suitable for smartphones, cameras, tablets, and laptops. For the pros, it is easy to use, good audio quality, portable, reliable wireless connection, and it is great value for the price. In terms of the cons, noise reduction sounds slightly artificial for me. I don't quite understand the noise reduction. It sounds like I'm in a room somewhere. And also, it is plastic build. I know most microphones are plastic, but is this microphone worth buying? For the price, I will say yes, it is worth buying. It offers you good sound quality and it is simple setup. If you are looking for an affordable wireless microphone without breaking the bank, then this is for you. I'll give this microphone a 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 because, like I said, the volume is not as high as I expected it to be. This is my review of this AI wireless microphone. That is the case. That is what it looks like. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It will help the video do well and it will also help me reach a wider audience. If you have been here before, thank you so much for your continuous support, and if you've not been here before, please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification so you don't miss our vlogs or updates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you have any questions about this microphone, please leave your questions in the comments and I'll be sure to answer the ones that I can.